welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with Vlogmas Day 15. So on my channel, I focus a lot on, natural hair and taking you all along on my own natural hair journey. So I wanted to show you all some products that I picked up on Black Friday that I've been wanting to try and that I've heard a lot of good reviews about. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload some more videos for Vlogmas. With the natural hair journey comes finding products that work best for your hair. And so I've been on this search for finding products that I feel like my hair really loves. I also have a subscription to Curlbox, which is a monthly subscription box where you get natural hair products, full-size natural hair products for the price of $25 plus shipping and handling. And I really love Curlbox, but sometimes they, put brands that maybe I've never heard of, or they put products that my hair doesn't always love. And so I try to also find natural hair products that I can buy on my own that will give my hair some TLC. So I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw that The Main Choice and TGIN, Thank God It's Natural, were both having sales on Black Friday. So I decided to pick up a few natural hair products that I have been looking for. So let's go ahead and jump right into these products. The first two products are coming from The Main Choice Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover line, and so these products are specifically for type 4 hair. So I bought the shampoo from this line, and then I also bought conditioner from this line. I'm really excited to try out this shampoo and conditioner just because I've been looking for some good shampoos. Like, I love the ones that I use now, but I'm always on the hunt for some more shampoos and conditioners because sometimes my hair needs something different than what I usually give it. So I want to make sure I have options when it comes to my shampoo and conditioners. But also because I've been wanting to try The Main Choice for a really long time and I just never had the opportunity to try them out. But when their sale was like 50% off, I said, oh, cannot pass this up. So I had to buy the shampoo and conditioner. So I also bought the leave-in cream from the Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover line. And then I also bought the moisturizing styling cream and the manageability and softening remedy mask. So I am a big advocate for deep conditioning your hair, so I'm really excited to try this mask. And then the styling cream, I actually don't have a lot of stylers in my natural hair collection, but I've been trying to be intentional with my stylers of finding something that works. And I know for me, my hair works better with creams just because the butters, they usually end up because my hair is low porosity, I feel like it ends up just kind of caking up on my strands and not actually penetrating my hair. So the last product that I got from The Main Choice is this Tropical Moringa Sweet Oils and Honey Endless Moisture Restorative Spray. So I've been looking for a product that I can use when my hair is either in a twist out, wash and go, braid out, or just out in its natural state to give it some extra moisture as I go through the days. I'm really looking forward to trying this restorative spray just because I feel like it's going to give my hair the extra moisture and love that it needs to continue to flourish until it's time for my next wash day. So that is what I got from The Main Choice. Now we are switching over to TGIN, which is Thank God It's Natural. So this is my first time purchasing from TGIN, and it is Black owned and also women owned. So I'm definitely excited to support a Black woman owned business. I was talking to one of my line sisters about one of their products, and so she's been using that and really enjoys using some of the products from TGIN. So I definitely am so excited that I was able to cop some of these products because they also were having a sale on Black Friday, and so I could not resist. So the first product that I got from TGIN is the Honey Miracle Hair Mask, and it has raw honey, olive oil, and oh, that's it. The rest of it is in French. Whoops. Again, I talk about deep conditioning all the time, and I just love that there's so many deep conditioners out there that, you know, are specific to what your hair needs. This deep conditioner is an intense, deep penetrating conditioner for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. And so for me, that is perfect because, like I've mentioned in previous videos, my hair is colored, and it also it's very dry, and so I need something that's going to give that extra moisture back to my hair. So I cannot wait to try this hair mask out. The next thing that I bought from TGIN is this Buttercream Daily Moisturizer with shea butter and vitamin E. Like I said earlier, my hair doesn't do well with butters, but like this one is a buttercream, so I'm hoping that it is still able to like penetrate my hair and give my hair what it needs without like being like caked onto my hair. So I'm really excited to try this one out as well. I've heard really great things about this buttercream. I've seen so many different natural hair folks talk about using this buttercream, so as soon as these braids come out, I am definitely going to be trying this out. The next product that I got is this Twist and Define cream. And so this Twist and Define cream is with coconut oil and vitamin E, and it is for smooth and shiny twist outs with long lasting curl definition. Now, my favorite go-to style is a twist out. Always has been, always will be. So when I saw that they had this Twist and Define cream, I was like, okay, gotta put it in the cart, because you love to do twist out. Like I said before, I've been looking for some stylers to give my hair what it needs while also kind of giving my hair that definition and making my twist outs last longer. So I'm really looking forward to seeing like how long my twist outs will last using this product. And then the next product that I got is this Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. So with this styling gel, I've been trying to get more practice with wash and goes, and I actually saw a video on TGIN's Instagram where this person did a like wash and go using this gel, and they said it was like lightweight, it didn't leave that crunchy feeling, it also gave your hair the nutrients it needed. And I was like, okay, score, I need to get this. So I'm hoping that, you know, once my hair's out of braids and I give it some TLC, I'm definitely gonna attempt another wash and go. I did try one a couple of months ago and I liked it, but I'm really excited to see what this gel will do, because the gel that I used in that video left my hair feeling really crunchy, and I don't want that. I really want some soft curls with my wash and go. What's really cool is that in the box with my products that I purchased, I also got this like a little like travel, I guess, like sample size packet of this leave-in conditioner, and I was like, oh, this is cute, because I thought like I maybe ordered something extra on accident, but it was in there. I guess it's like a gift, maybe, I don't know, it wasn't on my like, you know, receipt, so I was like, maybe it is a gift. So that's all that I have for you all for my natural hair product haul. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried any products from like the Main Choice or TGIN, and if so, what products have you tried? I'd love to hear some of y'all's experiences with these products. As always, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see when I upload some more videos for Vlogmas 2020. I've linked my Vlogmas 2020 playlist up so you all can go ahead and check out the other videos I have. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.